Hello everybody, today I'm going to be showing you how to solo Sterling and Dead Rose. It's pretty easy and simple, so let me show you how. Okay, so first of all, you want to change your class to the Vampire class because this is one of the best classes and it will help you a lot with the vamp life that kills you.
Not bad.
Okay, so now that you're in Sterling, you want to grab the torch and ignite the TNT. The TNT's all the way over at the cave behind the church. Make sure you get the jade tablet behind the church because you kind of need that to get the jade sword, but I didn't get in this part because I just forgot. Still, you gotta light the TNT with the torch and kaboom. Yep, there you go. Now you gotta take care of all of the zombies in here and, well, not zombies, skeletons. Now, first of all, you gotta speedrun this because it will be dangerous if you don't have vampire class, which I highly suggest. You will need a gun if you don't have this vampire class, but without a gun, it's pretty easy anyways. So yeah, just if you find a dynamite zombie, just wait for it to explode and you should be good. Okay, well now you just have to get a torch to get the jade mask and dynamite. Basically what you do here is that you explode the jade mask area so you can get the jade mask, which is pretty easy. The only problem is when you explode it, there will be 3 werewolves that will spawn if you take the jade mask, which is why people just use vases to lower down the thing so werewolves don't spawn, but you're gonna see what I do differently in this situation. Okay, now I have a dynamite in my hand. We're just gonna put it here, and as you can see, I have made a brutal mistake. Okay, I didn't explode the place. I did that by accident. But
Okay,
here's
so now
what
basically what you do is you put down barrels,
like this does happen.
and barrels will help you get up.
See, like this?
Yeah. You can use barrels if the dynamite does like do something. You see, I'm in here now. If you don't have any more barrels, you should probably get more barrels so you can get out. You know, it takes a little bit of more time, but yeah, it takes a little time to do this because sometimes the barrel just roll down like that. Yeah. Okay, and yeah, first of all you gotta get out. So, and now it's nighttime. It's probably werewolf night because I can hear them, or whatever the thing is, the cry for help or something. Yeah. See, I can get out now. It's like this. I can get inside. It's pretty easy. Yeah. Okay, so now I'm taking all of the valuables and stuff like that. But what I'm gonna do here is not take the jade mask. You can take the jade mask, but you will be harassed by werewolves in the middle of the night. So I suggest I suggest doing it if you have a gun and vampire class, and if you're prepared. But just put a vase if you don't have a gun, or if you're not prepared. It's just an easier situation here. But I decided not to get the jade mask because I don't really need it. Okay, so now you get the jade tablets. There's one in the jade mask area. There's one in the church. There's one in the side corners here. And yeah, there's one inside of the jade sword area, which is already gonna be there for you. So yeah, you don't have to get it. All right. So let me just show you where all the locations are. You have one on the side, over here. I collected. All right. And I think I should be getting the church one here. Yeah. Hold up. Yep. But I'll just yeah. If you just go to the church, you're gonna find the jade tablet right here. Yeah, perfect. And should be another jade tablet. I already have everyone, so we should just cut to the jade. Yep, here. And there you go. Jade sword room here. If you collect the jade sword, it doesn't do anything. Look how many bonds there's gonna be here. Well, look how many bonds. Yep, there's so many bonds in this place, so you should just always go to this place. It's super duper rich. You get rich after this place. And jade mask and jade sword sells for $250, and well, we're done. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you tomorrow.